In a small, sunlit classroom tucked away in the corner of an elementary school, there lived a pencil case named Casey. Casey wasn't flashy or new. In fact, its once bright blue fabric had faded, and the zipper had a little wobble. But Casey was proud of one thing. It always kept its owner's supplies safe and sound. Casey belonged to a boy named Leo, a curious, kind-hearted student who loved to draw. Inside, Casey lived a happy group of school supplies: a sharp yellow pencil named Pete, a shy pink eraser named Ella, a ruler who loved to measure everything named Rolo, and a set of crayons who never stopped chattering. One Monday morning during recess, something unusual happened. As the children rushed outside to play, someone bumped into Leo's desk, and Casey fell off, landing with a soft thud on the classroom floor. No one noticed. The classroom grew quiet. The supplies inside, Casey whispered nervously. "Are we lost?"
Pete the pencil asked.
"Leo will come back, right?" Ella the eraser said. But before Leo could return, the classroom door creaked open. A boy named Tommy, known for his sneaky ways, stepped inside. His eyes darted around, and then he spotted Casey lying on the floor. Well, he smirked. "What do we have here?" He picked Casey up and peeked inside. His eyes widened when he saw the nearly brand new crayon set, the shiny ruler, and the perfectly sharp pencil. "These could be useful," Tommy muttered. Inside, Casey was worried. He knew he didn't belong to Tommy. He knew Leo would be looking for him. And even though he was just a pencil case, he felt the weight of doing the right thing. "Hey!" Casey called out with all his might, though, of course, to humans, pencil cases don't talk. But inside, he rustled his zipper a little, hoping something, anything, would happen. As Tommy turned to leave, ready to claim Casey as his own, the classroom door opened again. "Tommy?" It was Miss Rivera, the teacher. "What are you doing here?" Tommy froze. I found this pencil case on the floor," he said quickly. "I was going to bring it to you." Miss Rivera smiled. "That's very responsible of you. Thank you." She took Casey from him and placed the pencil case on her desk. Later, when the students returned, Leo looked worried. "Miss Rivera, I lost my pencil case," he said. "You're in luck," she replied, handing Casey back to him. Leo hugged the pencil case tightly. "There you are. I thought I'd lost you forever." Inside, Casey's supplies cheered. The crayons burst into a colorful celebration. Pete the pencil did a happy wiggle, and Ella the eraser let out a sigh of relief. From that day on, Casey sat proudly on Leo's desk. It had been through a test, a quiet moment of honesty in a quiet classroom, and even though it couldn't speak, it had done the right thing. Because sometimes, being honest doesn't need words. It just needs heart.